Hello everyone and welcome to Scott's Honest Reviews. So today we have some plaid checkered tablecloth. So this is actually cotton, but you know, it's more referred to as plaid shirts, the design. So if you guys are interested, I'll put a link in the video description where you guys can get this. But it is a tablecloth, and we got this for our dehydrating table, which I will show you guys how it looks laid out. So let's go lay it out and show you how it looks. Hey, thank you so much for watching my video and choosing to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Did you know I actually have multiple YouTube channels? So if you guys are interested, check out all my other YouTube channels if you are into other different content. So up here, as you guys can see, it should be right up in here. These are my other YouTube channels spelled out. So just search them. And I appreciate it so much. Thank you guys so much for subscribing and checking out my other channels. You guys are the best, and you're the reason why I do this. So thank you so much for hitting that like button, hitting that subscribe button, and checking out my other channels. See you guys on the next video.